In the enchanting village of Harmonvale, nestled between rolling hills and shimmering rivers, there existed three distinct groups of inhabitants: the listeners, the watchers, and the doers. Each faction played a vital role in the vibrant tapestry of life, contributing uniquely to the community's flourishing. The listeners were celebrated for their acute perception and empathetic hearts. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they would convene beneath the sprawling branches of the ancient great oak tree. Here villagers would share their tales of adventure, wisdom, aspirations, and fears. With every story recounted, the listeners meticulously wove a rich tapestry of collective knowledge, gaining insight into the hopes and dreams that shaped their community. Perched high upon the rugged cliffs encircling Harmonvale, the watchers possessed a remarkable ability to observe the unfolding world around them. With sharp eyes trained on the distant horizon, they kept vigil over the changing seasons, the shifting skies, and the far-off lands. Their crucial role was to anticipate both challenges and opportunities, relaying vital information to the villagers, whether it was a brewing storm or the promise of an abundant harvest. In stark contrast, the doers were the spirited and dynamic souls who transformed ideas into tangible realities. They were the builders, the farmers, the artists, and the inventors of Harmonvale. Drawing inspiration from the stories shared by the listeners and guided by the insights of the watchers, the doers manifested dreams into vibrant festivals, remarkable structures, and clever solutions to everyday dilemmas. One fateful day, an ominous storm approached, threatening to engulf Harmonvale in chaos. The watchers, ever vigilant, spotted dark, swirling clouds gathering ominously on the horizon. Without delay, they rushed down the cliffs to alert the villagers. The listeners, gathering everyone under the protective canopy of the great oak tree, began sharing tales of resilience, courage, and unity to calm the rising fears among the villagers. These powerful narratives ignited a sense of hope and determination in all who heard them. Inspired by the stories and driven by their shared purpose, the doers sprang into action. They worked tirelessly, constructing barriers to shield the village and gathering essential supplies to weather the impending storm. As the tempest unleashed its fury, the villagers collaborated harmoniously, each fulfilling their designated role. The doers erected fortifications, the listeners provided encouragement, and the watchers guided their efforts with keen awareness of the unfolding chaos. When the storm finally subsided and the skies cleared, the villagers emerged to discover Harmonvale still standing, resilient and united. Their collective strength had triumphed over adversity, and from that day forward, the three groups recognized the profound interdependence among them. The listeners continued to share stories that inspired hope. The watchers maintained their watchful gaze on the horizon, and the doers tirelessly transformed visions into reality. In Harmonvale, they learned that every voice was significant, every watchful eye essential, and every action impactful. Together, they created a harmonious symphony of life, where each group flourished, weaving a legacy of unity and strength that would echo through generations to come. The village thrived not as separate entities, but as a cohesive community, where the essence of collaboration turned dreams into reality.